What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Honda powered Troybilt pressure washer. And the problem is there's a lot of water leaking from the pump. I don't normally see Honda powered pressure washers very often, but I must say the horizontal layout of the pump is very nice, as you don't have to reach under the deck to connect your hoses, like as in a vertical shaft layout. Let's go ahead and attach the garden and the pressure hose and turn on the water and take a good look at the leak ourselves. And even without the pump running, there's a lot of water leaking from it. If we take a closer look, we can see a bolt that appears to be missing. However, it turns out the bolt is actually broken. This is probably why it's leaking water there. Let's go ahead and take off the remaining bolts and see what the damage is. And after removing the top part, it appears that the O-ring is broken. This is a pretty simple fix. I didn't know what size O-ring I needed, and I didn't want to bring it with me, so I went ahead and bought this kit from Harbor Freight, which has a variety of O-rings to try out. Let's go ahead and pick one that looks close and then try it out. I'll address this broken bolt later. I really want to make sure that the pressure washer is working fine before I go any further. Let's go ahead and replace the top part of the pump. Be very careful with the O-ring and then tighten the bolts down. I'm going to use these locking pliers to apply pressure to the top of the pump where the broken bolt is. And after turning the water back on, there isn't any water leaking from where it was before, so let's go ahead and try the pump now. It turns out that everything works just like it should. Apparently it was thrown away for a simple water leak. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one guys, and I'll see you in my next video.